Can technology really make us healthier in a world where we often blame screens, apps, and devices for ruining our health? The truth in 2025 might shock you. Because technology isn't just a source of stress or distraction anymore. It's becoming one of our greatest healing tools. From AI-powered diagnostics to wearable devices that predict heart attacks before they happen, the digital revolution is quietly reshaping human health in ways our grandparents could never imagine. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 surprising ways technology is improving health in 2025. Number 4 will absolutely blow your mind. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest health breakthroughs changing our world. 1. AI-powered disease detection. Artificial intelligence is transforming diagnosis forever. In 2025, AI tools can detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart issues faster than traditional doctors, often from a simple photo, scan, or voice recording. AI systems analyze thousands of medical records and imaging results within seconds, spotting patterns invisible to the human eye. For example, Google's DeepMind AI can now identify over 50 eye diseases from a single retina scan. Another system in Japan detects early stomach cancer from endoscopy images in real time. This doesn't replace doctors, it empowers them to act faster, earlier, and more accurately than ever before. 2. Wearable health monitors. Gone are the days when smartwatches only counted steps. In 2025, wearable technology tracks heart rhythm, blood oxygen, sleep stages, blood pressure, stress levels, and even blood sugar, all from your wrist. These devices now provide real-time feedback, warning users before a potential heart attack, detecting irregular heartbeats, or suggesting when to rest or hydrate. Some advanced wearables even measure cortisol, the stress hormone, through sweat, and alert users to take a mental break before burnout happens. Technology has made personal health monitoring not just possible, but personalized. 3. Telemedicine and virtual health consultations. What if your doctor was just a video call away, anytime, anywhere? Telemedicine has exploded in 2025, connecting patients and doctors through secure video platforms and apps. People in remote areas now have access to top specialists without leaving their homes. Doctors can monitor chronic conditions virtually, send prescriptions digitally, and track patient progress through connected devices. It's affordable, time-saving, and bridges healthcare gaps across the world, especially for elderly or disabled patients who struggle to visit clinics physically. 4. Smart implants and biochips. This one sounds straight out of science fiction, but it's real. Smart implants, or biochips, are microdevices placed inside the body to monitor vital functions or release medication when needed. For example, diabetic patients can now use implants that automatically measure blood glucose and deliver insulin. No more painful finger pricks. Cardiac patients can have chips that detect arrhythmias and immediately alert emergency services. These innovations turn our bodies into self-monitoring systems, preventing emergencies before they strike. 5. Mental health apps and digital therapy. In 2025, mental wellness is no longer ignored, and technology is playing a massive role. AI chatbots and therapy apps provide 24/7 emotional support, guided breathing, and mindfulness sessions. Apps like Wobot and Common use cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to help users manage anxiety, depression, and burnout. Some even analyze speech tone or typing rhythm to detect emotional distress and recommend interventions. Mental health care is becoming more accessible, affordable, and stigma-free, right in the palm of your hand. 6. Personalized nutrition through DNA testing. Imagine eating a diet designed just for you. With advanced DNA and microbiome testing, nutrition tech companies now analyze your genes to reveal what foods your body truly thrives on. In 2025, apps connect directly to DNA databases and wearable trackers to build meal plans tailored to your gut, metabolism, and health goals. These insights can predict which foods boost your immunity or which nutrients your body struggles to absorb. No more one-size-fits-all diets. Your genes now hold your personal nutrition code. 7. Robotic surgery and precision medicine. Robotic-assisted surgery is becoming the new gold standard in operation rooms worldwide. These robots allow surgeons to perform complex procedures with microscopic precision through small incisions, minimal bleeding, and faster recovery times. In 2025, robotic systems are even integrated with AI, allowing them to anticipate surgical needs and reduce risks during the procedure. For example, the Da Vinci surgical system and new robotic prototypes are changing how heart, brain, and orthopedic surgeries are performed. Robotic surgery isn't replacing surgeons, it's giving them superhuman precision. 8. Virtual reality for pain relief and rehabilitation. Virtual reality isn't just for gaming anymore, it's helping patients heal faster. VR therapy is being used in hospitals to reduce pain, anxiety, and even speed up recovery. Patients recovering from strokes use VR games to regain mobility through guided movement exercises. Cancer patients use immersive nature environments to manage pain without excessive medication. By tricking the brain's perception of pain, VR has become a revolutionary drug-free therapy tool that's transforming rehabilitation worldwide. 9. Smart homes for senior and disabled care. Imagine a home that cares for you. In 2025, smart homes are equipped with motion sensors, voice assistants, and AI systems that monitor safety and health. Elderly individuals living alone can now have fall detection systems, medication reminders, and even smart mirrors that check vital signs. These homes send alerts to family members or caregivers in case of emergency, providing independence with safety. This isn't the future, it's happening right now, and it's giving seniors dignity and peace of mind. 10. 3D printing of organs and medical devices. Here's the most mind-blowing innovation of all. Scientists are now 3D printing human tissues, skin, and even miniature organs for testing drugs and, eventually, transplantation. In 2025, 3D printing is also used to produce prosthetics, dental implants, and bone replacements customized perfectly for each patient. This technology could one day eliminate the need for organ donors entirely. We're re-entering a world where replacing a damaged organ might be as simple as printing a new one. Bonus, AI in public health and epidemic prevention beyond individual care. AI is tracking health patterns globally to predict disease outbreaks. By analyzing search trends, social media posts, and hospital data, AI systems detect flu or virus outbreaks before they spread. This means faster response times, better vaccine planning, and fewer lives lost. Technology is not just saving individuals, it's protecting entire populations. Closing message. Technology is often blamed for disconnecting us. But in truth, it's reconnecting us with our bodies, our health, and our future. From wearables to genetic testing, AI to VR, the digital revolution is giving us tools to live longer, stronger, and smarter. But remember, even the best tech works only when paired with human wisdom, your habits, your choices, your care. Which of these 10 innovations amazed you the most? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, subscribe, and share because someone you know might need this knowledge to change their health today. Technology is transforming health, but knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay curious, and take control of your well-being in 2025 and beyond.